datang ke konsert Moving KL Forward, Kita Bagi Jadi at the Park, a Tun Abdul Razak tribute. Tonight's performance is part of a collaborative program to activate the local creative economy through cultural events, festivals, and public art initiatives, strengthening Kuala Lumpur's position as a major cultural hub.
Terima kasih DBKL Dancers kerana selama 2 minggu sangat short. Alhamdulillah berjaya get ready for show. So insyaAllah dia akan berjalan dengan lancar.
Kita bagi jadi.
Orang budiman suka menyapa, kalau berkumpul suka bercanda. Walau jarang kita berjumpa, sekali jumpa senang di dada. Jika diajak menyanyi, maka menyanyilah. Jika diajak berjoget, maka berjogetlah.
Kami ingin mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada rakan-rakan kolaborasi kerana menjayakan persembahan pada malam ini.
Malaysia, this is for you. Yes!
And eventually Force 136 telah melahirkan tokoh seperti Tun Razak. Yeah, but he was a spy.
Dan dia telah mencuri maklumat.
20 atau 30 tentera Jepun telah dibunuh. Kononnya informasi yang diberi oleh Tun Razak.
Dalam sejarah, kita sering mendengar nama Wira, tetapi jarang kita bertanya, berapa usia ketika dunia mula memanggil?
21 dan dunia sudah menunggu jawapan.
Barat! Jepun! Perjuangan kuasa!
He was photographed in a Japanese Kapetai uniform. For a while, he spoke very fluent Japanese.
Concert was fantastic. I think it was cleverly done. They focused on a period of my father's life that's not paid enough attention to.
Tahun 1945, Jepun menyerah kalah. 12 years later, at the age of 35, Tun Abdul Razak Hussein would become our first Deputy Prime Minister and altered the course of Malaysia forever. Here we are in Panggung Anniversary, which also happens to be part of the legacy Tun Abdul Razak left behind.
KL is a place we all call home. Do you love this city? Because this city belongs to all of us. We have to love the city first because nobody is going to do it for us. And if you really love Kuala Lumpur, then we must all take care of it together. Promise me.
Membina penghuni yang kaya dengan rezeki, harta, identiti dan adab.
So let us build a supportive and caring community like all of you. Be passionate about our arts and culture so that Kuala Lumpur will always have a heart and soul. Ini kota kita. Kita bagi jadi. Sungguh gemilang negeriku yang ku puja, oh tanah Malaysia. Jangan putus harapan.
semua yang hadir ke konsert Moving KL Forward, kita bagi jadi at the park bersama DBKL dan CIMB.
I just attended CIMB's concert on the park.
This event is amazing.
Belajar tentang sejarah.
She don't know anything about Malay song. Now she like a pro already.
Buatlah selalu joget ni, kita kena buat ramai-ramai.